What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Quick update for our friend Matic, currently sitting at 84 cents, down 4.8 on the day. Seeing a rejection from our pullback zone, currently sitting a market cap of 7.26 billion, 24-hour volume all the way down to 298 million. So as you can see here, we've seen a rejection from our wave 2 pullback zone, what I'd be looking at as an ABC correction. And now you'd be looking to come down in a wave 3. Let me just make sure that this measurement is correct here with the recent price action. Most likely changed a little bit. So this is a wave 1. This is a wave 2 pullback. Yeah, it's pretty much still the same. So your wave 3 target is 0.060 for the price of Matic. So far, everything has been playing out to a T with our price predictions, which we love to see. Potentially all of this was a wave 1 looking to pull back in that wave 2. What I'm looking at is an ABC correction. So we've come down in the wave A, and we pulled back into wave B, and you're looking to come down in the wave C, which consists of 5 waves. So wave 1 in red, wave 2 pullback, looking to come down in that wave 3. Within that wave 3 are 5 waves. So we've come down in wave 1, we've seen a wave 2 pullback, seen a rejection from our wave 2 pullback zone, and looking to come down in that wave 3, in my opinion, until we push up and break this high of 97 cents, 0.974. Then we have no reason to flip bullish. If that were to be broken, it validates the wave count, and you'd have to be looking at some sort of more bullish move to the upside. But zooming out, we pushed up to the EMAs and saw a rejection. And going into tomorrow, we'll print the bearish cross. We're also underneath the point of control on the volume indicator here. So if we break this support, do expect you to come down here to about 68 cents. If that support is lost, then you're looking at coming down to about 61 cents for the price of Matic. Be very cautious here, because if we do print that bearish cross, stronger likelihood the EMAs are going to continue to push the price down. I think Matic would have to break out rather quickly, get back above the EMAs if you're going to see any type of upside potential. But as I mentioned in most of my videos, I do think Bitcoin's coming down to 10 to 13K, and that will bring the price of Matic down with it to the 40-cent range, in my opinion, which is down here in between about 40, 43 to about 50 cents. I think we could come down to in the price of Matic, potentially put in a wave 2 pullback before pushing up in a massive wave 3. If that low were to be broken, then all we'd be looking at here is that was the wave 3 low right here. All of this was a very overextended wave 4, and you're still looking to come down in a wave 5. All right, guys, make sure to sign up to Bybit, up to $30,000 in bonuses once you make your first deposit through my referral link in the comments. Email me your sign-up email. I'll give you completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, and at the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis as well as my trade signals. You can sign up through the Patreon link. Smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.